Right now, something unbelievable is happening. A massive Shiba Inu whale has unexpectedly sprung to life, transferring more than 400 billion tokens. This huge transaction has grabbed everyone's attention right when the cryptocurrency market was starting to bounce back from the recent crash. Coinbase has launched a unique signal with potentially far-reaching ramifications, adding to the already intriguing situation. Is this finally the time that Shiba Inu owners have been waiting for, or is something else terrible about to happen? In order to get to the bottom of things, let's look behind the scenes. Warning, 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 empty space, empty space. You should not consider this video as financial advice. All content is presented solely for informational and recreational reasons. Before making any investing selections, make sure you complete your homework. Those who own Shiba Inus have had it rough these past few days. The price has risen by an astounding 100% since November 1st. In the span of 9 days, the price of Shiba Inus dropped by over 23%. Some interpreted the precipitous fall as a necessary correction following such a massive surge, while others were alarmed by it. The price dropped less than a third of the initial pump, which is typical for corrections that follow big rallies. The price remained stable at a crucial support level. Many held out hope that this was just a temporary setback until things picked up again. But suddenly, the story took a complete turn for the worse. An early backer of Shiba Inu chose to cash out, selling roughly 400 billion tokens for a whopping $9 million. This was more than a passing phenomenon, it signified a watershed moment. Unease crept into what had been portrayed as a positive tale of recuperation, as well as the market began to respond to more fundamental worries. The culprit behind this huge sell-off wasn't a random investor. According to blockchain data compiled by Lucan Kane, this user jumped on the Shiba Inu bandwagon as soon as it was released. Incredible 15 trillion tokens were bought by an investor for only $3,800 in August 2020, when Shiba Inu was hardly unheard about. When Shiba Inu hit its peak in October 2021, the tokens were worth an incredible $1.2 billion. Everything is altered by this discovery. This is not about some random whale that cashed out some tokens. This individual has been a part of Shiba Inu's story from the start. There is a lot riding on their every move, and it might have a major impact on the market. According to recent behavior, this whale sent $250 billion worth of Shiba Inu tokens to the Gemini exchange in 3 different transactions. Then, in the span of a few hours, 150 billion more tokens were added, increasing the total to 400 billion. These tokens are now valued almost $9.6 million based on market values. The incredible profit that is involved is even more astounding. I can't even begin to fathom the profits on the $100 worth of tokens I bought in August 2020. According to Etherscan data, this whale has sold Shiba Inus before. In recent weeks, they have begun selling their cryptocurrency assets on exchanges such as Gemini and Crypto.com. Their wallet still has 2 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, worth roughly $48 million, notwithstanding these sales. Here, the plan is crystal clear. While still making a tidy profit, the whale avoids sending the market into a frenzy by selling in increments, rather than all at once. Particularly for whales with such enormous token holdings, this strategy emphasizes the significance of timing in the cryptocurrency market. The behavior of this whale is only a small part of a much bigger picture for those who regularly own Shiba Inus. There are problems in the entire cryptocurrency market. The market cap of the crypto industry leader Bitcoin fell yesterday, along with the majority of other digital currencies. Lucy, a notable member of the Shiba Inu team, brought attention to the fact that more than 500 assets went into the red. The difficulties faced by Shiba Inus are exacerbated by this wider commercial conflict. When the market as a whole is struggling, it's far more difficult for certain assets to bounce back rapidly. This bodes poorly for Shiba Inu, as the market is already struggling due to external variables including macroeconomic conditions and regulatory developments. Analysts are paying heed to a signal from Coinbase, which adds to the uncertainty. The Coinbase Premium Index and the price of Bitcoin have lately been found to be diverging, according to CryptoQuint. A larger premium usually means that investors in the US are in high demand. But the premium has fallen, so people are wondering if Bitcoin's current gain will be able to keep going. Because Bitcoin's success frequently sets the tone for the broader market, this is significant for Shiba Inu holders. All coins, like Shiba Inu, seem to follow Bitcoin's troubles. Things were quite different a week ago. A surge in the Coinbase premium occurred alongside the price decline of Bitcoin, indicating robust demand in the US. The market is on edge as it awaits what happens next now that the tables have turned. Lucy reminded the Shiba Inu community on Twitter of the project's development despite all the uncertainties. She praised Shibarium, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain technology, for reaching a number of important milestones. Among the most noteworthy accomplishments is the destruction of more than $1.5 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens. Burning tokens is significant because it lowers the supply of tokens in circulation, which could lead to an increase in the value of each surviving token. In addition, Lucy stressed the importance of Shibarium in making Shiba Inus more useful in daily life. Shibarium is preparing Shiba Inu to develop into a fully operational ecosystem with its governance mechanisms, incredibly cheap transaction costs, and features like staking. Above all else, Shibarium has given Shiba Inu credibility, a meme coin it is not anymore. Notable media publications such as Forbes are praising the initiative for its significant achievements and the team's hard work. The future of Shiba Inu may hinge on this change in opinion, according to market expert K. Cooney, there are positive signals on the chart of Shiba Inu. According to Cooney, there is a noticeable pattern of rising highs indicating an upward trend that started in September. With a strong support level surrounding Shiba Inu's present price, investors are likely to accumulate, and this action is a classic bullish indicator. According to Cooney, a breakout might occur after this consolidation period, with possible targets varying from a 25% gain to a rise of more than 120%. Further out in the future, the most optimistic projections from Cooney indicate that the Shiba Inu population could reach a new all-time high by the middle of 2025, up more than 170% from where it is now. Predictions like this aren't ironclad, but they do show that Shiba Inu has a good chance of continuing its current upward trend. Holders should remain patient and keep their eye on the larger picture because the next few months could bring some much anticipated activity. How do you feel about this? Please inform us by leaving a comment below. You can watch more information by selecting a video from the list that appears on your screen. Get on board by subscribing and enabling alerts, keeping you apprised of all the latest news regarding Shiba Inus. Make sure you remain informed so you don't miss out.